Fire. It's a word that evokes warmth, danger, and a primal fascination. But what exactly is fire? In its simplest form, fire is a chemical reaction. It's a dance between three key players: fuel, heat, and oxygen. This energetic tango is what we call combustion. Imagine a log in a fireplace. The log, our fuel, is made up of complex molecules. When we apply heat, we give these molecules enough energy to break apart. This is where oxygen comes in. Oxygen molecules rush in, eager to bond with the newly liberated atoms from the fuel. This bonding process, called oxidation, releases energy in the form of heat and light. That's what we see as flames. As the fire burns, the fuel is broken down into simpler substances like ash and smoke. This transformation is known as decomposition. Fire, therefore, is a captivating illustration of energy transformation. It converts potential energy stored in chemical bonds into heat, light, and the kinetic energy of dancing flames. This fundamental process has shaped our world and ourselves in profound ways. If you enjoyed this exploration of fire, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Not all fires are created equal. The color and intensity of a flame can tell us a lot about what's burning and how hot it's burning. A blue flame, for example, indicates complete combustion, where the fuel is burning efficiently and producing little smoke. A yellow flame, on the other hand, suggests incomplete combustion, often due to a lack of oxygen. One particularly interesting type of fire is pyrolysis. This occurs when a material, like wood, is heated in the absence of enough oxygen to sustain a flame. Instead of burning, the material undergoes thermal decomposition, breaking down into simpler compounds, some of which are flammable gases. These gases can then ignite, creating a flickering flame above the smoldering material. Pyrolysis is essential for many processes, from charcoal production to the breakdown of organic matter in soil. It's a reminder that fire isn't just about roaring flames, it encompasses a spectrum of chemical reactions with diverse effects. Now let's shift our focus from the flames we see to the fires that burn within us. Our bodies, like miniature furnaces, constantly convert fuel into energy. This energy, essential for every beat of our hearts and every thought we think, comes in the form of a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Our primary fuel source is carbohydrates, found in foods like grains, fruits, and vegetables. Carbohydrates are long chains of sugar molecules, and when we eat them, our bodies break them down into glucose, a simple sugar. This glucose then enters our cells, where it embarks on a complex journey called cellular respiration. This process, much like the burning of a log, involves oxidation reactions that release energy. This energy is captured by our cells and used to produce ATP, the energy currency of life. Fire, in its raw and untamed form, has been a force of nature since the dawn of time. Lightning strikes, volcanic eruptions, and even the sun itself can ignite dry vegetation, sparking wildfires that can rage for days, weeks, or even months. While often perceived as destructive, wildfires play a crucial role in many ecosystems. They clear out dead undergrowth, making way for new life to flourish. Some plant species even rely on fire to germinate their seeds. Humans too have learned to harness the power of fire for ecological benefit. Controlled burns, carefully planned and executed fires are used to manage forests, prevent larger wildfires, and promote biodiversity. These practices highlight the complex relationship between humans and fire, one that has shaped our history and continues to shape our future. Imagine our early hominid ancestors, huddled in the darkness, seeking shelter from the elements. Lightning strikes a nearby tree, setting it ablaze. Fear gives way to curiosity as they cautiously approach the flickering flames. This encounter with fire, millions of years ago, would forever alter the course of human evolution. Fire provided warmth in the cold, kept predators at bay, and illuminated the night, pushing back the darkness. It allowed our ancestors to cook food, making it easier to digest and unlocking nutrients. This dietary shift had profound effects on our biology, particularly on the development of our brains. Fire also fostered social interaction. The warmth and light of a campfire drew people together, creating spaces for storytelling, sharing knowledge, and strengthening social bonds. This communal aspect of fire played a crucial role in the development of early human societies. Section 6. Cooking up a revolution fire and the rise of Homo sapiens. The control of fire was a pivotal turning point in human evolution. It paved the way for the emergence of our species, Homo sapiens, and set us on a trajectory that would lead to language, culture, and technology. Cooking with fire transformed our diet. It made food softer, safer to eat, and more energy-dense. This had a profound impact on our physiology. Our jaws and teeth shrunk while our brains, energetically demanding organs, grew larger. This increase in brain size, fueled by cooked food, allowed for the development of complex cognitive abilities such as abstract thought, language, and social intelligence. These abilities set the stage for the cultural and technological innovations that would define our species. Section 7. The Gift of Prometheus. Fire's Impact on Human Civilization. Fire, often considered a gift from the gods in ancient mythology, ignited the flames of human civilization. It provided the heat needed for smelting metals, leading to the Bronze Age and the Iron Age. It allowed us to work longer hours, extending our days and our productivity. Fire also brought people together in new ways. Villages were built around communal hearths where stories were shared, traditions were passed down, and social bonds were forged. The flickering flames of a fire became a focal point for gathering, conversation, and contemplation. From the simple act of warming ourselves to the complex processes of metallurgy and manufacturing, fire has been an indispensable tool in shaping human civilization. It has allowed us to transform our environment, develop new technologies, and create societies of unprecedented complexity. Section 8. A Double-Edged Sword. Fire's Benefits and Dangers. While fire has been essential for our progress, it's crucial to remember that it's a powerful force that demands respect. Uncontrolled, fire can be incredibly destructive, causing widespread damage to property and ecosystems. Even today, wildfires pose significant threats to communities and natural habitats around the world. The use of fire for energy has also had unintended consequences. The burning of fossil fuels while powering our modern world releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. This unintended consequence of our mastery of fire poses one of the greatest challenges to our planet and our future. Therefore, our relationship with fire is one of constant negotiation. It requires a delicate balance between harnessing its power for good while mitigating its potential dangers. This balancing act will continue to shape our relationship with fire in the centuries to come. Section 9. Fire's Enduring Legacy. A Force of Nature and Progress. Fire, in its many forms, has left an enduring mark on our planet and ourselves. It's a force of nature that has shaped ecosystems, driven evolution, and ignited the flames of human civilization. From the first controlled use of fire by our hominid ancestors to the complex technologies we rely on today, fire has been an essential companion on our journey. It has warmed us, protected us, nourished us, and empowered us to achieve remarkable feats. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, fire will undoubtedly continue to play a vital role. It will power our rockets, fuel our industries, and light our way forward. Fire, in its essence, represents the duality of nature, a force capable of both destruction and creation. Understanding its power, respecting its potential, and harnessing it wisely will be crucial for our continued progress and the well-being of our planet.